Today start. A next point, a nomenclature of aldehyde. Nomenclature of aldehyde. Look here everybody, a nomenclature first is the common system and second the IUPAC nomenclature. Second the IUPAC nomenclature. First is common system. Look here all of you, a common everybody, common name of a aldehyde, a derived from common name of carboxylic acid. Common name of carboxylic acid. Everybody, a first oxidative product of aldehyde. Everybody, a first oxidative product. You know, first oxidative product of aldehyde is carboxylic acid. You know, aldehyde is on oxidation to form the carboxylic acid here. Everybody, okay, common name. Look here, common name of aldehydes derived from a common name of the carboxylic acid. Simple everybody. Here, a simple example, you know, formic acid. Formic acid. Look here, a common name of carboxylic acid. Here, IC acid, a replaced by aldehyde. Is a replaced by aldehyde. Means, look here, okay, here, form, okay, yum, aldehyde, aldehyde, name of the compound, formaldehyde, formic acid, formaldehyde. In this example here, in case of the common name of carboxylic acid, here IC acid replaced by aldehyde, means a formic acid, okay, formaldehyde. Acetic acid, acetaldehyde. A propionic acid, a propionaldehyde. Butyric acid, a butyraldehyde. Phaleric acid, a phaleraldehyde. Here caproic acid, a capraldehyde. Simple everybody. You know, okay, unbranched aldehyde here, a simple, okay, common name of this compound, here a common name of carboxylic acid, here IC acid is replaced by aldehyde. Correct? You know, simple, a first is the formic acid, IC acid replaced by aldehyde, formaldehyde, acetic acid, acetaldehyde, propionic acid, propionaldehyde, butyric acid, butyraldehyde, phaleric acid, phaleraldehyde, caproic acid and capraldehydes. Okay? Yes. But everybody, okay, a aldehyde containing, okay, some here branches here. You know, look here, a straight chain of aldehyde, everybody, indicated by a Greek letters, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, omega, so on. Okay, indicated by the carbon. Indicated by carbon is starting from aldehyde. Starting from aldehyde. Like this everybody. Carbon, 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 carbon. Okay, COH. You know, start here. You know, here alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, delta. Okay, next is the, everybody, here omega. Next is the omega. Correct? Yes, omega. Like this. Omega. You know, a number start, Greek letters start from here. This is the CHO group, carbonyl carbon, start from a carbonyl carbon. Okay. In case of the common system. In case of a common system. Everybody look here. Look here. Next. Look here. The first example here. First example. H, C, O, H. Name of the compound, all of you. The name of the compound, formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay, this name derived from common name of carboxylic acid. Common name of a carboxylic acid. Everybody, next here. Okay, like this. CH3COH. What is this? This is the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde derived from, okay, common name of a acetic acid. Means name of the compound like this. Okay, yeah, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Look here, next compound, CH3. You know, CH3CH2COH, like this. Name of the compound here, propionaldehydes. Propionaldehydes. Propionaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Look here next. CH3, CH2, CH2, COH. Correct? Yes. Look here, name of the compound here. How many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Butyraldehyde. Here, butyraldehyde. Correct? Yes. A next compound here. Next. CH3, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Okay? H. N-phthalate. Phthalate. Correct? Yes. Next compound like the CH3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Okay, name of the compound actually a common name of carboxylic acid, caproic acid. Caproic. Okay, caproic acid. Here IC acid replaced by aldehyde, means here IC acid replaced by aldehyde like this. Aldehyde. Correct? Yes. Look here, first is the formaldehyde, second the acetaldehyde, third is the propionaldehyde, next is the butyraldehyde, next is the N-phthalate. Actually also here, okay, N-capraldehydes. Capraldehyde. Okay, this is the simple common name. Okay, according to a common name of carboxylic acid. That carboxylic acid here, IC acid, is replaced by aldehyde. Correct? Yes, repeat the name of this compound. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, propionaldehyde, butyraldehyde, N-phthalate, N-capraldehyde. Okay, this is a common name. Okay, next compound. Look here, I'll help you next compound by branching here by using the Greek letter alpha, beta, gamma, delta, omega. Correct? Yes, like this, CH3. You know, CH3, CH3. A next compound, COH. Look here, I'll help you here, a 1-methyl group attached to second carbon atom by zinc prefix iso. Okay, like this, iso. How many carbon atom here totally? 1, 2, 3, 4. Isobutyraldehyde. Isobutyraldehyde. Correct? Yes. Isobutyraldehyde. Look here. Second name by using the Greek letter. Here alpha. Next is the beta. Okay? Yes. Okay. Next common name. Alpha methyl. Alpha methyl. How many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3. Propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Look at next example here, like this. Next example, CH3. You know, here CH, CH3, CH2, COH. Okay. 1-methyl group attached second carbon atom by using the prefix here iso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isophthalate. Isophthalate. Correct? Yes. Look here next by using the Greek letters. Alpha, beta. Okay? Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, omega. Name of the compound here. Beta. You know, beta methyl. Beta methyl. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Butyraldehyde. Okay, butyraldehyde. Correct? Yes, like this. Look here, next common name, all of you. Next common name. Next. Okay, simple names. You read here. You know, next CH2 double bond CH. CH2 double bond CH. COH. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound, acrolein. Name of the compound here, acrolein. Correct? Acrolein. Name of the compound, acrolein. Correct? Okay. Look here. A next compound here, a crotonaldehydes, like this, crotonaldehyde. CH3, CH, double bond, CH, COH, crotonaldehydes. Okay, crotonaldehyde, correct, crotonaldehyde. Okay, yes. Look here, a next compound here. Next, okay, here CH3, CHCl, CH3, CH, Cl. Next compound, you know, like this, COH, COH. Start the number here. 1 minute. This is the alpha. Next is the beta. Alpha chloro. Alpha chloro. 1, 2, 3. Propionaldehyde. 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 Correct? Yes. Look here. A next compound. Next common names. Correct. Next. Like this here. Okay, first compound. What is the name of this compound? Aromatic aldehyde here. Aromatic aldehyde means benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Look here, next compound. COH. Next here, COH. Correct? Okay, next compound here, ethylaldehyde, like this, ethylaldehyde. Okay, ethylaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Look here, next compound, like this, next common names. Okay, next is the salicyldehydes, like this. Salicyldehydes. Okay, double bond, double bond, double bond. You know, CHO. Okay, OH. Right? Like this. Salicyldehyde. Right? Yes. Look here, a next compound, a glyceraldehyde, like this, glyceraldehyde. HO, CH2, CH, OH, next is the COH. Okay, like this. Compound here, glyceraldehyde, like this, glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde. Okay, next here. Look here, I'll up you the next compound. Right. You know, next is the phenylene. Next is the phenylene, like this. CHO. Next, OCS3. Correct? Next compound. Next compound, all of you. Next is the OH. OH. Correct? Name of the compound here, phenylene. Like this, phenylene. Phenylene, correct? Okay. Look here, next compound, next aromatic compounds, like this. This is the para-toldehydes. Para-toldehydes. CHO, like this. Okay. Next is the CH3. Para, you know, tol. Look here, a para. Toldehyde. Correct? Yes. Here I'll up you a next common name of this compound here. You know, cyclohexane aldehydes. Next is the cyclohexane aldehydes. Cyclohexane aldehydes. Correct. Yes, like this. COH. Cyclohexane. Everybody, this compound is a cyclohexane. Okay. What is this? This compound is a cyclohexane. You know, aldehyde. cyclohexane aldehyde. Look here, next is a compound here, a glyoxal, CHO. Next is the CHO. Name of the compound glyoxal. Name of the compound glyoxal. Look here, all of you. Okay, this is the, all the names. Okay, all the names of aldehydes. Okay, according to everybody here, according to common system. According to common system. First, all the common names derived from the common name of carboxylic acid. And next, everybody, next Beijing, the Beijing, the Greek letter alpha, beta, gamma, delta, omega. Okay, so on. Okay, starting from the carbonyl carbon. Starting from carbonyl carbon, and some common names are especially everybody here, a special name of that aldehyde compounds here. Okay, this is the nomenclature of aldehyde. First is the common system completed here. Okay, thank you.